Okay, I'm back here in Tandy Leather, and I'm looking at this stingray again. It's still $49.99. I haven't got my nerve up to buy it yet, but it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at these multicolor, and then it's in the red and more red and green. Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh, look at this magenta. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Ooh, that's a rich looking blue. And let's see what's back here. Oh, that same blue. And here's some little tiny ones. Those baby stingrays in black. Okay. What is this? What is this? I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, it's a little fella. Okay, look at these alligator tails. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh, look at this teal one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Oh, purple. Look at that purple and that navy. Okay. And here's some lizard. Now I got me a piece of this lizard. This is silver. I didn't get this one, but I got this one. Oh, you can't tell that it's gold. It's gold. It's gold. It looked silver at first, but it's gold lizard. And some more lizard. Here, this is purple. Okay, and what else? Oh, foxtails. I don't deal with foxtails. Okay, let me show you what else I got today. I got some of this gold. This gold is $24.99. So I got 2 pieces of that. That's really pretty and really soft. And I looked at this red. I thought about it, but I have some red at home. And I looked at this blue. And I thought about that. That's $24.99, so that's in my price range. I did get these pieces here, $34.99, and so I got, what did I get? I got the green. I got this green today. So this is my visit to Tandy, and I'll go back here and then show you where I always come to get these very soft, well, let's see, the Italian leather. Okay, here is the Italian leather pieces. Like I have this blue, I have this teal. Yeah, it looks blue on my camera, but it's a teal. And I have the red, and I have yellow, and I have this pink, and I have purple, and I have green. I've not got the white yet, because I tell myself, well, I can paint the white. But and then for the suedes, let's see, and these pieces are $89.99, I think. And then here are the suedes, the real soft suedes that look good when you do them as shreds. So I have these and some neutrals up here, and I have this red. So yeah, they're $27.99. And here's a rust color up here, and then here's some greens. All right, good people. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed from Tandy Leather.